Good evening, people of Imagaan. This is Joseph Ilumiganya. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of Maria Shippings F19, proud and honored to represent Dangkalan. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, ang pamilyang sama-samang naglalakbay, for sure ay pinalaya